Good morning, student. Today we will learn about the coordinate geometry. In our last lecture, we have learned about the various points inside the triangle, like centroid, orthocenter, circumcenter, and and incenters, excenters. Now we will continue with this lecture with the topic straight line. In our last lecture, we have studied the introduction part of straight line. Now in this lecture, we will learn about the various forms of straight lines and how they are using in the concepts, questions, and in our practical lives. So we will learn by step. So first of all, we will learn what are the various forms of straight lines. So our topic of discussion is various forms of straight line. So first of all, we will learn about the slope intercept form. In this form, we can say when a line having a y-intercept of the interval c distance, and this point will be denoted as 0, c. अगर हमारे पास किसी भी क्वेश्चन में किसी लाइन ने पॉजिटिव x एक्सिस के साथ अगर थीटा एंगल सबटेंड कर रखा है, देन स्लोप विल बी m and it will be given as tan of theta, that is tangent of theta angle. We'll find the slope, and standard form in this condition will be given as y is equals to mx plus c, where m denotes the slope of the line and c denotes the distance, c denotes the intercept made by the line with the y-axis. So this is the standard form, or we can say slope intercept form. If we have slope and y-intercept, so we can use this form to calculate the equation of line. Our next form is one point form. Means in this form, there will be a point is given where from which a line is passing through and slope of the line will be given. इस फॉर्म में अपन को लाइन जिस पॉइंट से पास हो रही है, मे बी उस लाइन के बारे में कोई एक इंफॉर्मेशन, दैट इज एक पॉइंट दिया होगा कि ये लाइन है जो किसी गिवन पॉइंट P जिसके कोऑर्डिनेट अपने पास x1 y1 उससे पास हो रही है, और अगेन ये जो लाइन है ये एंगल थीटा सबटेंड कर रही है विद द पॉजिटिव एक्सिस in the positive direction of x axis. The slope will be again given as m is equals to tan theta. It will be the slope. We can find the slope by using the tangent of angle theta, and equation in this form will be given as y minus y1 into m into x minus x1. So this is the standard form when a point, information about a point and angle is given. So we can use this equation when the one point and slope is given. So we can say this form is point slope form. The next form is 2-point form. When in question we have information about the 2 points, so we can use 2-point form. If the information about the 2 point is given in the question, so we can use 2-point form. अगर क्वेश्चन में हमें किन्हीं 2 पॉइंट के बारे में डिक्टेट कर रखा है, लेट्स से दिस इज द पॉइंट A and this is the point B having coordinates x1, y1 and x2, y2. The coordinate of 2 points are given and we have to find what is the equation of the line. Then we can write the equation of line is given as y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x. This is the equation of a line in 2-point form when the 2 points are given. Now the fourth point of discussion is intercept form. Intercept form means a line making intercept with the coordinate axis will be given. Let's say a line, this is the line L having intercept with y-axis, that is 0, B, and having intercept with the x-axis is A, 0. then equation of line will be given as x plus a y by b will be equals to 1. This is the intercept form of the line, and where x-intercept will be given as a comma 0, x-intercept will be given as a comma 0, and y-intercept will be given as 0 comma b. So we can directly find the intercept by using the slope intercept. So we can directly find the intercept by using the intercept form. The next form is normal form. What is meant by the normal form? In this situation, we have a line having the perpendicular distance from the point, from the origin is P, and a perpendicular on the line is making an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis in the anti-clockwise sense. Then equation of line is directly given as x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to P. So these are the various forms by using different parameters given in the questions. And one more form is given as parametric form, which is given as when we have to find the general coordinate of the line having at a distance of y from the given point. Let's say there is a point R, and we have to find another coordinate of another point P having the distance of R from this point, small r, from this point P. Then coordinates of the P can be found by using the parametric form. The next form is parametric form. We can write next form is parametric form. इस फॉर्म को अपन तब यूज करते हैं जब हमें किसी स्पेसिफिक पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट फाइंड करने हो और एक किसी रिलेटिव पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट अपने पास दे रखे हो. तो दिस फॉर्म इज रेयरली यूज, बट दिस इज important form. So the equation in this form is given as x minus x1 cos theta will be equals to y minus y1 sin theta will be equals to r. So coordinate of any general point x and y can be found by using this form. So we can write the coordinate of point P will be given as r x1 plus r cos theta and y1 plus r sin theta. These are the coordinates of point at a distance of r from the given point x1, we have to find the coordinate of any general point having the distance r from the given point x1, y1. These are the important forms which are used for the calculations of equation of straight line by using the different data. Maybe the question have the data like the 2 points and 1 point or 1 slope, maybe have x and y intercept, may have perpendicular distance from the origin and the angle made by the perpendicular. So we have different kind of forms in order to find the equation of straight lines. So another important concept, what is the relations between two lines when their slopes are given, or we can say finding the angle between two lines where the angle between both of these lines is given. So our next topic of discussion will be angle between two lines. एंगल बिटवीन टू लाइंस. अगर हमें दो लाइन दी गई है और उनके बीच का एंगल हमें फाइंड करना है, तो हम कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? सो वी कैन सी दैट if two lines are given, one line is denoted by L1 and another line is denoted by L2, and the slope of line 1 is M1 and the slope of line 2 is M2, and the angle subtended by angle between these lines is given as angle theta. So we can find the value of the angle theta, or we can find the angle made by these lines with each other. It can be given as tangent of theta, and answer will be tangent of theta will be given as M2 minus M1 1 plus M1 M2, or we can write M1 minus M2 divided by 1 plus m1. So there will be special case to find these parameters. तो यहाँ पे एक दो स्पेशल केस देखे जा सकते हैं. When two lines are parallel to each other, the angle between them will be 0 and tangent of theta will be 0. Then from this equation we can find the result like when lines are parallel, the result will be m1 is equal to m2, and when lines are perpendicular, the result will be m1 multiply m2 will be equals to minus 1, or we can write slope of another line will be negative reciprocal of first line. अगर हमें किसी लाइन का स्लोप गिवन है और उसकी परपेंडिकुलर लाइन का अपने स्लोप निकालना है, तो हम लिख सकते हैं कि उस लाइन का जो स्लोप होगा वो पहले वाली लाइन का नेगेटिव रेसिप्रोकल होगा. Then that's all about the lines different forms, and we will continue in our next lecture with some numerical based on these various forms. Thank you so much.